Dawn awakens a quiet city. A determined soul prepares for a journey. Breath comes in deep, hopeful gulps. The world feels limitless. Footsteps echo against the stillness. Each stride whispers the promise of determination. The air tingles with possibility. Unexpectedly, a figure comes into view. She battles her burden alone. Frustration flickers in her eyes, desperation clawing at the edges. He hesitates. A pressing schedule sits heavy on his shoulders, yet something tugs at his heart, a need that outweighs time. "Please," she implores. A vulnerability hangs in the morning air. Bystanders avert their gaze, caught in their own preoccupations. The choice looms. Achievements beckon from the distance. Yet, the weightiness of her plight silences all else. Authority looms closer. Tension crackles in the air, time dwindles, consequences threaten to collapse around them. The tide begins to shift, hope sparks within him. Voices join in, hands reach out, a collective resolve uniting strangers. Together, they become an unstoppable force. The burden of a life now shared. Empathy intertwines with action, creating an unbreakable bond. Resolution floods the air. Faces once ghostly with indifference now glow with newfound camaraderie. Relief washes over her, washing away the fear. A simple act of kindness becomes its own reward, promises exchanged in a glance. He walks away, heart full, success redefined. Two souls ready to face their tomorrows, bolstered by a fleeting moment of unity.